wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Ninja blenders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Prep Professional can also be used as a chopper and a food processor, and its motorized element attaches to the top of the included pitcher and 2 bowls. Just hold down the button and fruits and vegetables will be sliced, diced or pulverized in no time. It's useful for preparing baby food and includes lids for storing in the fridge. However, the parts are difficult to clean. At number 9, if you're making single servings of healthy smoothies or creamy milkshakes, the durable and powerful Ninja Fit can perform like a champ. It's simple to use, as all you need to do is press down on the top and hold it for a few moments. It comes with a recipe guide and is an affordable choice, but the blades take up a lot of space in the cup. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Nutri Auto IQ features convenient pre-programmed modes, so one touch enables you to crush your ingredients down to just the right consistency. When you're done, simply detach the tumbler and take your drink on the go. It's a lightweight portable design that takes up little counter space. However, it does make a lot of noise. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Ninja blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the extractor blades on the NutriBowl Duo can crush ice, seeds, skins and stems for smoothies packed with healthy vitamins and nutrients. It's equipped with 2 single-serving cups and a large food processing container for making meals, snacks and desserts. It includes 2 lids with spouts and can knead dough, but the bowl could use a handle. Moving up our list to number 6. The Professional Countertop offers both a pitcher and convenient to-go cups, so you can always make the right amount without worrying about wasting food. The 3 preset speed options will have you enjoying smooth, refreshing beverages in no time. It's safe for the dishwasher and made with BPA-free components. It's equipped with a handy pulse button. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Chef CT810 features a variable speed control for customized results, as well as a useful programmable timer. It provides modes that will have you mixing up frozen drinks, ice cream, nut butter, and cold soups with the touch of a button. The lid locks securely to prevent messes, and it comes with a double-walled tumbler. It's also good for dips and salsa. At number 4, in addition to frozen beverages and nutrient extractions, the Duo IV701 is designed to make refreshing juices, thanks to high-speed blades and a filtration system. Its vacuum component removes air to keep the contents fresh for up to 48 hours. It features a powerful 1400-watt motor, 7 convenient preset programs, and a user-friendly control panel. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Professional Plus offers 1400 watts of power to provide perfectly crushed ice, smooth purees, and precision chopped vegetables. The base attaches easily to the large pitcher, the single-serving cups, or the 64-ounce food processor. It includes 3 sets of blades and clearly labeled measurement marks, and is backed by a 1-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Ninja blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Foodie Cold and Hot lets you fix refreshing shakes and smoothies, and its 800-watt heating element can cook proteins and vegetables for flavorful soups, sauces and dips. 12 preset programs make it simple to whip up ice cream, cocktails, extractions and more. It boils liquids in minutes and is also good for fondue. It comes with a non-stick glass pitcher. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Intellisense Kitchen system comes with 4 high-quality attachments that can be used for many things. It sports 12 useful pre-programmed modes designed by professional chefs. It's equipped with a touchscreen interface and includes a spiralizer. It recognizes attachments automatically. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Ninja blenders, or simply click beneath this video.